Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll discuss about the stem and leaf display. What is the stem and leaf display? Before coming to that stem and leaf display, let me to tell about the disadvantage of frequency tables. Uh, the disadvantage of frequency table is that we cannot find the identity of singular individual observation in grouping process. Like in that grouping process, the singular observation, its identification is actually lost. It's a very big disadvantage of frequency table. So for that purpose, which display is introduced to overcome this? So for that, a display which is said to be a stem and leaf display is developed to overcome this big problem. John Techie introduced a technique which is called a stem and leaf display, and in this display each number is actually divided into two parts. One is called a stem and the other is leaf, and the both stem and leaf, they are actually separated by a line which is called a vertical line. Now the stem, which is also called a leading digit, and it is used in sorting process, while the leaf is called a trailing digit and it is shown in display. We will have here an example which is 345. 345 is an example. We will write it in the leading digit here and the trailing digit here, which is the stem and which is the leaf. The trailing digit is leaf. So we will write the 3 in the leading digit and 45 in the trailing digit. So this is the process in which we display the stem and leaf, which is called a stem and leaf display. But let me to tell you that we can write 345 in some other situation also. Like we can write 34 in the stem and only 5 in the leaf. As before, we write 3 in the stem and 45 in the leaf. But we can also write 34 in the stem and 5 in the leaf. Both situations are same. Now coming to its importance. It gives us a useful explanation of the observations and can be changed to a frequency table in an easy way. That it gives us a very useful explanation and description of the data set or observations, and we can change it to the frequency table in an easy way. So this is actually the importance of this stem and leaf display. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.